Hi guys, Victor is here. So I'm painting my wheels, my rims for my Tesla in black, and I want the central cap to be black but with the red printed logo inside. Right now my central caps, they're just these. So they're like plastic and it's aluminum coated, but then inside I have a bevel edged, right? So you see that's like kind of pushed inside. So and I want this inside being being red, and then the surrounding being black. So what I've done is I've sanded slightly the entire central cap a little bit. Once it was sanded out, just tiny bit, then I went and I painted them red, the whole thing, the whole cap. I'll try to show you here. So yeah, the whole thing was painted red, and then I need to paint the surroundings in black. That is the challenge. So how do I do that? Check it out what I'm doing now. So initially, I put a piece of paper and then I basically scratched it with the pencil. I was able to cut off the logo, but then I'm having a hard time, as you can see here, the edges. So this has a corner, that one I missed. So it's really hard to do it, and then I have to somehow reapply it. So I gave up on that method. So pencil is gone. So what I decided to do is I'm doing these right now. So those ones, the caps, and this is the original one. So you need to do that probably before you are painting all of them. At least keep one of them bare before you paint it. And then let's do this. So I'm taking painter's tape, taking a piece, cut it, stick it around. Well, obviously the surface must be clean from the debris and whatever else there might be. And then I'm actually trying to recreate the design. I'm using my finger just to have an idea what happens with the shape. See that? So now we have the logo here. Next thing what I'm taking a tiny knife, and I'm gonna be cutting the around, and then once I have that piece, I'm going to reapply in that piece, which is the sticky piece now, into the new logo. Just gotta work out carefully and find out all the edges. I'm also gonna be looking at the actual piece, so I have an idea, better idea. How it's shaped at the edges, either it's straight or cornered or whatever. So what I'm taking now, I'm taking that piece. So I got it out. Now I need to reapply here. So something like that. It's not as perfect, but again, can try again and again until that piece would come to be perfect, but that is the idea. As you can see now, this thing, it should be ready to paint. So these guys are here now with the green tape, painter's tape. Yeah, I was able to fix some of the imperfections, so now they really look good. When I painted with red there, I oversprayed a lot and it ended up being okay. So black should be just as good. So here is the freshly painted central caps. They've been painted about an hour ago. Now I'm here to peel it with the blade, the painter's tape. to reveal the red, and it just goes nice and smooth and easy. So got to a T-point. Now I gotta go grab one of the edges with the blade again. Gotta be very careful because it's very easy to poke a paint with the knife, but you can't really use many of the other tools. So nice and easy. So that one is revealed. Gonna clean a little bit the edges in the corner over there to make sure it's nice and yeah, just like that. I'm off the camera a little bit, but I'm gonna go and fix it right away now. Okay, that's what it looks like. Next thing is to remove the tiny little piece at the top. Grab it again, not to poke it through the paint. It's very gentle work. Cool. Done. That is what it looks like. So the red still have some adhesive on it. I'm going to be using alcohol to clean it up, and I shouldn't remove the paint from below, so that would be fine. And once it's clean, it's going to be shiny again. Yeah, it looks just amazing for the first timer. Now I have to do 3 more, and then do the clear coat on top. So in this one is the last piece. I'm reviewing the nice logo here. To me, I feel this is a success for a homemade project, and I've never done it. And also I'm not a painter, and also I'm not a good painter to begin with. So I'm just a guy that want to do some certain things and make me busy sometimes. Also, of course, I could have gone on Amazon or anywhere and buy a sticker and put a sticker on the cap, no name cap or this cap, and that would have worked as well. Not a problem at all, but that wasn't the goal. I really wanted a natural chaos. Now this is where I poked a hole, scratched the paint. Now I gotta touch it up. Not a big deal. That would happen, not a problem. What are you guys thinking about it? Do you think, is it worth it to spend a few hours for this kind of work? I think it is. So anyway, put in the comments what do you think about it, and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I really enjoyed it once again. Yes, that was nice. It's a success. So now these ones, the central caps are completed. This is all done with the clear coat, maybe 3-4 times. It dries very quick with the fan. And I want to show you something for comparison. So I have these, and then I have the other ones. This is the reason I wanted to do them. Those ones are shiny, and the color, it doesn't really matches my tires. That is why I decided to go ahead and do my own caps. I've had the black ones with the red. Maybe within all the dust on the road, no one is gonna notice the difference, but I've noticed it, and there is a difference. So those ones are just perfect. This is original. I ordered them online, and then this is the ones I made myself. They're matte. This is how I wanted them. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Put your comments down below, and be in touch.